Keep his running. Goes back in and touches. Remember, when it gets down that there's only 2 left, it's the last vehicle running that wins the Demolition. 27 has been black flag. 1988 is in the flag. 24. It's up to him to make the next competitive hit. Here comes number 1988. He comes in and hits him. Number 24 under the count. Referee holds 1988 off now. It's all up to number 24. He must make the next competitive hit. Number 24 restarts, but he does not come out of the count until he makes a competitive hit. Trust me, he'd like to.
There is nothing left of that 24 man.
Nothing.